Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready? Turn on Wi-Fi and enable location so the app can map networks. Once done, open the Wi-Fi finder and grant permissions. This lets it access signal and location data. Next, tap Scan or Nearby to begin. You'll see networks appear in seconds. Sorting by distance or signal strength helps prioritize options. Make sure not to switch apps during the initial scan, because the list updates in real time and you want a complete snapshot before selecting a target network. Now refine the results. Use filters for free versus paid access, minimum signal strength, and maximum distance. You want fewer, higher quality options. Tap any network to inspect details, security type, provider, expected speeds, and user ratings, because security matters when choosing a public access point. Once you identify a candidate, run the app's built-in speed test. This confirms throughput and latency, so you're not connecting to a slow hotspot. If satisfied, save it to favorites for quick future access, and note any login steps. Select Connect and follow authentication. Enter a password or complete the captive portal login. You should see a connected status. Verify by loading a web page or rerunning the speed test to confirm usable bandwidth. Once confirmed, save network credentials if the app offers secure storage and mark as trusted. If connection fails, try the single most helpful fix first. Toggle airplane mode, then reconnect. If that doesn't work, restart the app and ensure location and Wi-Fi permissions remain enabled before retrying the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.